We have a unique solution here together, a combination of Asperitas immersion cooling and Cisco Unified Edge. This is one of its kind. Nowhere else in the world will you see Unified Edge immersed in a tank. Andy, why is it in a tank full of fluid?
So we put the server in a tank to cool it principally. This is immersion cooling, so the fluid is really great at insulating. It's not water, it's hydrocarbon fluid that's been engineered for the specific purpose of cooling electronics.
So a typical server, about 20-25% of the power is actually used to move the fans.
Immediately we save 25%. At the power density of the server right now, we can cool it passively with no pumps either. For future workloads where the power density at the GPU goes higher, we can use forced convection, bring pumps into the equation, but that only uses the power of 1 or 2 fans.
And I can just have regular cables. This is in the fluid, my power cords, my patch cables, fiber. That's all okay?
That's all okay. We've been developing immersion cooling systems for data centers for almost a decade. So the supply chain is ready to put cables, connectors in the hydrocarbon fluid with no issues on reliability, no issues on performance degradation.
With immersion, are you able to run a system harder, faster, higher utilization? Like, how does that work? Are the benefits there?
This particular one is forced convection. So it's a tank in a tank. So 2 walls for resiliency. That's super important for the edge, of course. It can be wall mounted. It's about 100 kilograms dry at 5U, but it could be wall mounted, floor mounted, and you can have 1 or 2 along a wall.
So we designed this specifically for edge compute, right? AI at the edge, unified edge from Cisco. What are the use cases we're looking at?
Air carries a lot of contaminants, dust, moisture. Some of that may be conductive. The oxygen in the air causes oxidation. So the server is designed for resiliency, but we have to design the environments in which it's placed for it to maintain itself, particularly in harsh environments. So where you don't have a controlled environment, where you have filters for the air, maybe manufacturing processes are creating particles. Having the server immersed means that those particles in the air literally can't contact the server. Also, there are things happening environmentally that might also be causing impact to the reliability of air-cooled servers. Vibrations, shocks, all these things can cause things to displace and have to be reseated. The liquid is like an insulator. It's a safe, secure environment where the server's remaining in a very managed space within the fluid inside the tank while there's chaos occurring around it.
And you've got remote access to this, right? I see patch panels here, so this is where you're connecting to the exterior.
Yeah.
You're pulling your telemetry, you're getting your AI workloads remotely.
Yeah.
So assuming you're seeing your system through Cisco Intersight or Cisco Cloud Connect, you can tell the health of your system and it's good to go. Seems like a perfect use case for Cisco Unified Edge at the edge.